build out the contact feature. This is perhaps one of the most essential features on our platform, and we typically recommend that you get this built out before you start adding any other features. It displays general information like the business's location, phone numbers, any other contact information in regards to email, website URL, and operating hours. When you first get started, it's going to ask you whether or not you want to build it out for a location. Think brick and mortar, restaurants, retail stores, or a church in this case. Or you can build it out for a directory or a person. Think real estate agents, fitness instructors, motivational speakers. Once you want to get started, absolutely, if you've selected the location, the first thing you want to do is include the physical address. You'll notice if you select directory or person, the information changes. Continuing through location, you can add or remove these displayed images that will be shown within the feature in the app. We'll go ahead and select a few. Next, you'll want to include any of the other custom location name information. For example, you can include a custom name here for the address or simply include the address name there. Custom name would be, the name of the retail store rather than the address. Next, you'll want to include the website, email, phone number. These are all optional, and absolutely include the open times for that location. Again, if we select directory or person, address becomes optional, and most of the information stays pretty much the same, other than the fact that you can include a little bit more here for a description field. Let's take a look at what it looks like. So you can notice that users can come in, post a comment. They can also call the business directly, get directions there, send a quick email, and click to be directed to their website.